this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, December 8, 2021. Yesterday saw a strong day in the markets. We opened up above prior day high and took off to the upside and then consolidated most of the afternoon. So we had a strong push straight from the open that ended up going sideways the majority of the session. That creates what's called a P profile in market profile. And I can describe that type of activity here in Discover, and that's what we're going to do this morning. Let me go ahead and set this up in Discover. I've got all four instruments selected. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the market is trading higher above the prior day high. So I'm going to add that to the test here by going to the opening filters, opening area, click on equals next to open above prior day high. I'm not sure that we're going to open there today, but that's where we're currently trading. So I'm going to go ahead and add that and assume that's going to be true when we do open. All right, next, I'm going to describe that P profile by saying that the open was in the bottom portion of the intraday range. And I'm going to do that by going just to the active today section. And I'm going to say that the open was in the bottom 25% of the daily range. So the open was somewhere around the low of the session. And then I'm going to go into the market profile pattern. And I'm going to say that the point of control was in the top 25% of the daily range. So I'm going to do that by going to the active today, looking at the point of control placement and saying that the POC finished in the top 25% of the daily range. Now, if you're not familiar with what a point of control is in market profile terms, that just means the price that had the most activity at. So that's the part where the day consolidates the most at that single price level. So for yesterday, that was up near the highs of the session, and that's what kind of makes the P profile shape by getting a strong move higher that then goes sideways. It looks like the letter P, a capital P, like here in profile patterns. All right, so next, indicators. I'm going to say that we finished above a 10 yesterday as well as above a 200-day simple moving average to finish up this pattern, and now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you open above the prior day high. The prior day opened near its lows, and the point of control was up near the highs of the day. And this is taking place above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 51 samples in the S&P. We've got 73 in the NASDAQ, 56 in the Dow, and 56 in the Russell. Win rates on these are mostly favored here. S&P, the strongest of the group, at 69%. It's quite a bit stronger than the others there. The NASDAQ coming in at 60%, the Dow 57%, and the Russell 55%. If we look at the average moves, they're pretty similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow has a larger average loss, and the Russell is pretty similar in size. So the win sizes are a little bit mixed there, but the win rates are all at least mildly favored, and S&P being the strongest of the group. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.